Right, so I've got the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and today I'll be answering the question, how do you connect, or rather I'll be showing you how to connect your 3.5mm headphone with a headphone jack to this phone. Now it's obvious this phone does not come with a built-in headphone jack, but it does have a Type-C port. So with the help of some adapters or an adapter, you should be able to connect. Now I'm going to start with this one. Now this is a direct 3.5mm headphone jack to Type-C, so you can connect your headphones to the adapter, and then the adapter, which has a Type-C connector, into your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Should be really as simple as that. Now I'm just going to go and play something just to see if it works. I'm going to go to Files, Audio, play this song, and yes, it works. I'll just bring the headphones close to the microphone. That works. Okay. Now, the problem is this takes over your Type-C port. So what if you want to listen to something and you want to charge at the same time? And that's where this other cable comes in, because it has the same Type-C connector. Let me pause that. So it has the same Type-C connector, but on this other side, you have the headphone jack port and also a pass-through Type-C port. So let's get rid of this one and connect using this one. So I'm going to connect this here, okay, and connect it to the phone, and I'll try and play the same music, and it plays. All right, now if you want to charge, then all you have to do is connect a cable or a charger to the pass-through port, just like that. So that's what it's going to look like. Two cables into the phone, and then everything is working. You can see the music is playing and the phone is charging. So that's how you can connect 3.5mm headphones, wired headphones, to your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Now I'm gonna leave these two adapters linked in the description so you can check them out. They're pretty inexpensive, and you should be able to use them in case you have your valuable wired headphones. And also, if you want that lossless audio, you can go ahead and use this. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.